Recently, I was at a dinner party, and the conversation moved to talking about managing the pressure in our home life and in our work life. After the conversation, I spent a little bit of time reflecting on what it is that I do to manage the stress in my life, and I came up with three really clear components. The first is I take a look at the situation and I ask myself, what choices do I actually or can I actually make? What are the factors that I control and what are the factors that I don't control? The second is to reflect on my own thought process. What are the messages that I'm giving myself? Because sometimes we can be our own worst enemy, and we really need to be giving ourselves positive and affirming messages. And the third is to check in on how my body is reacting to the situation and to take a moment to take a deep breath, to close my eyes, and to get my feet on the floor, to just give myself a moment to regain my focus and composure.
If you have a question or topic you'd like us to consider, please let us know.